Before starting 3DGS processing, it is necessary to ensure that the collected data has 3DGS permission. Check whether the SmartGo permission interface has 3DGS permission. The 3DGS function requires the use of Insta-panoramic camera data. Currently supported models include Insta360X4 and X5. First, check the integrity of the data under the original project directory Camera 4. There must be 5 types of files: TP, TXT, CP, KXY, and INSV. The INS file needs to be manually copied from the Insta360 camera. To ensure the accuracy of the copy, you can check whether the name recorded in the text file is consistent with that of the INS file. After the data preparation is completed, we need to check the computer configuration to see if it meets the requirements for processing 3DGS. Recommended configuration: graphics card of RTX 4090 series or above. Video memory of 12 GB or above. Intel Core i7 CPU 12th generation or above. And system memory of 32 GB or above. In the optimized data, select to use the 3DGS function, and then check the box for calculating Insta360 panoramic images. After the data calculation is completed, 3DGS nodes will be generated. Right-click the 3DGS node and select to load the model. The default perspective when entering the view is the first-person perspective. At this time, you can use the shortcut keys WASD-K to control the movement of the current perspective. Dragging the left mouse button can control the direction of the perspective. WASD controls the forward, backward, left, and right movement of the perspective. And QE controls the upward and downward movement of the perspective. Dragging the left mouse button controls the direction of the perspective. The model also supports measurement functions. Turn on the measurement tool to perform point measurement and distance measurement on the model. When you want to quickly view the overall appearance of the model, you can switch to the third-person perspective. At this time, the operation is the same as that of point cloud operation, and you can quickly view all parts of the model. If you want to return to the starting position, you can click the perspective centering function to quickly return to the starting position. Clicking the model node can also quickly hide or display the model. If the 3DGS model is not selected during the optimized data, you can use the independent 3DGS modeling function. However, it should be noted that when using the independent 3DGS modeling function, you need to check the box for calculating panoramic images in advance in the optimized data interface.